hooked on Linux. I'm working with Irian webcam and simple screen recorder, and the issue I'm having is that I guess that right up here you can see where I have shown stuff that I don't want to show on Irian, and I'm going to show you how we fix that right now. Let me open up a second instance here of a screen recorder, and I'm going to bring it over here, and I'm going to continue, and you see here where it says, I don't think, can you see my mouse? Yes, you can. Record the entire screen, record a fixed rectangle. We're going to click on that, and then we're going to say select rectangle, and I'm going to select only what I want to see. Now this is going to be handy because I don't have it set up now, but when I have this green or the green screen, then it'll we'll be able to encompass it. So now you can see that, I'm sorry, now you can see that the screen here on this viewer, and this is what we're concentrating on, no longer has that stuff on it. Got it? So this is what the new one is going to look like. Like this. Just like this. And I can take this away, and here we are on this one here, and it's some clever editing to do that, but it's not really that clever. I'm having a blast learning about all this crazy stuff, and if you're not a geek and you just want to learn like simple basic things, this is my journey, and I'm learning it without spending a ton of time on it. Thanks for watching.